might sound, coming from a estate agent, a very pigeonhole sentence, but I've seen many Masias, but none like this one. And it's not just because it maintains so many of the original characteristics of the most likely 16th century, but because it's perhaps one of the closest Masias to the beach. It's actually 400 meters. You know, this is a fun fact. This is a defensive turret, so essentially from inside you could shoot invaders. That tells you this Masia is a very old one. I'm looking forward to seeing you around. This is Jamie Vieto for CS Property Ambassadors, your Catalan connection.